Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. So today I have my BoxyCharm base box to open. Stay tuned. Okay everybody, this is what my box looks like inside. So let me tell you a little bit about BoxyCharm real quick. BoxyCharm is a beauty and skincare subscription box that you do monthly. So there are 3 different boxes. One is the base box where you get 5 items and it's $25 a month. The next one is the premium where you get, I think it's 7 items, $35 a month. And then there is the BoxyCharm Luxe, which is like 8 or 9 products, and it's $49 a month. So let me explain all this though. So I only get the base box instead of the premium box. Every 3rd month I get the Boxy Luxe. So I signed up so I can get the Luxe, which is a bigger box with more products in it, like lifestyle. So that one is $49, but you can only get the Luxe box if you were subscribed to the base or the premium. You can't just go online and order a Luxe box. You have to be already subscribed to one of the 2 boxes. So every 3rd month I get charged $49 and I get a bigger box, and it contains lifestyle items, and it's like 9 items. So all of them have been great so far. I haven't had any problems with any of them. So normally you do the $25. If you go down below, click on my link, you'll probably, I think it's, you get a free gift. I'm not sure how much you get off from it, but it's just a link that helps you to get your first box. Okay. So once you have your first box, you can go on there and you can get a link, and then you can have others also subscribe to your box or to your BoxyCharm. We don't get money back. We get what they call charms. Those charms add up together with the charms that you get from ordering your subscription boxes helps to pay for add-on type items if you want. So I've never used mine yet, so I don't even know how many I have yet. I'd be glad if somebody signs up and goes ahead and gets some, and also I will get some, so that would be awesome. But okay, so every time, let me see if I got it upside down. Lots of times I have things upside down. So disclaimer, I'm blind. I'm legally blind, low vision. Like this card right here that comes in the box, I can't read it. So I have to take pictures of it and then zoom it in. So on the back though is all of the items and retail values of the items that are in your box. Because if you go to BoxyCharm, which I was on this morning, there's like 15 different products that could come in your box. And if I can find it on this sheet, I will put my, what do you call that? Everybody has a different box, and I might have the same box as you. So they have similar numbers for the same boxes that are sent out. So I will tell you what mine is. Put on screen. So let's go. Number 1. I'm going to grab glasses real quick. Like I said, I don't see very much. Helps me to see color and that there's stuff on the box so that I can try and put it right side up. I can see that this one is from Pharmacy. Okay. So let me tell you a quick, I went ahead this morning and took pictures of the items that are on their website. Okay, so this says Pharmacy Deep Sweep, 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. So this is a toner. Retail value is $28. So let's go ahead and take this out. Sweet. Toners are always nice to have. Oh, it's a glass bottle too. Pharmacy is a very good brand. There you go. Put it so you can see it better. So this would be a toner. I start my morning with a toner. So in my makeup routine, I start with a toner. So this will be, I have one I'm using right now. It's actually a spray toner. And I'm liking it a lot. So hopefully I'll like this one too. So that is my first item. Let's go ahead and look at the next. Okay, there it is. Okay, this next item is called the Pure, like P-U-R, 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. Now the retail value on this is $35. I am not exactly sure what color I've gotten. You'll be able to see it like right there. It looks light enough that I'll be able to wear it because I have very light skin right now. I haven't been tanning at all. I'll put it up on the screen to tell you what color it is. So this is a tinted moisturizer, which I really like. I've got a couple of them and they're so much more lightweight and they do have good coverage, like especially if I'm on a cruise, I'm at a resort. I don't want to wear heavy makeup, so I will use that one definitely for maybe our May trip. Okay, so this looks like a palette. It is a palette. This is what the outside looks like. And whether it's upside down or not upside down, or I don't know. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, what a pretty container. So this is made by Ciate of London, which is my favorite makeup line right now. You can see how pretty that is. Beautiful. Let's see if I can open it. I did. Okay, so let me put this card in front of the mirror so you guys don't see that. It is all neutral colors. It is beautiful. Looks like it's for like a natural look. And that's what I'm coming, you know, springtime's coming. I want to wear a natural look. Oh, that is so pretty. So let me see. It's okay. So it says Ciate of London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. And the retail value on this palette is $30. So once again, let me show it to you. It's really a nice case that it's in. It's got the mirror on top, but it's just a very nice size case. I could take that traveling and only take one palette. That's what I like about these palettes, especially when they're small like that. Whenever we go traveling, I can just take the one eyeshadow palette and don't need to worry about any other one. So, okay, let me see. I don't know which way this goes, guys, so I'm just going to show it to you. Let's put it over here. This is my next item. Okay, let me get to... Okay, it is the Seraphine Botanicals is the name of the company. Apple Plus Balm, B-A-U-M-E, Glow Up Mask. So this is a mask. The retail price is $25. See if it says anything else. Hydration and glow with this protective lip mask. Okay, so this is a lip mask. Awesome. My lips are getting better. I've been using on and off different lip stuff, and I have Sjogren's syndrome. So Sjogren's syndrome is an autoimmune disease where my cells are attacking my other cells, and they're attacking the hydration in my system, like my mouth. Even if I didn't take a lot of medication, sometimes it's so dry I can't even swallow. I just can't do it. So my lips are also really dry, and so that now I know why, because for the longest time I wondered what is going on. It's like my nose is always dry, my eyes feel like sandpaper, you know, and it can affect your internal organs if it gets bad enough. So I'm in the process of having that treated, but I will definitely do the lip mask so that I can keep my lips from getting as chapped and okay guys, let's look for the last thing I got. This is number 5. I'm going to show you guys in just a second what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is the Bali Balm. It is sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Price is $33.33. Oh my gosh. Can you see how big this is? $33.33. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. This is my iPad, and this is how I do things. So it used to be where, before we had iPads and stuff, you could get a machine and it would cost $3,000 or $4,000, and you could put something on it and magnify it to read. Now I use Apple products because I find the accessibility much better than in any other product, and I can follow what I'm supposed to be saying to you guys, or showing the pictures, or telling you the retail value right here to my side. Love it. It was the best gift I ever bought myself. And I bought it at Christmas because, well, actually in December, I broke my elbow, and here it is, guys. It's still in the brace. I broke my elbow and I couldn't hold my iPad. So I needed something to put it on so that I could use it, or just at least watch it on YouTube and, you know, try and do videos. So I bought that for myself. It was about $26. I can link it below. I bought that one. Where's the other one? Okay, and I bought this one for my phone, and you see it moves. So you can tilt it up or down if you want. I'll link both of these down below in the video, but it has become a lifesaver, and I can now use my arm some to use my iPad, but I love putting it up there, especially when I'm doing videos, because usually you guys see me like laying down like that and try and read and try and see if something's upside down or not upside down. But now I just put my iPad in the stand and I don't have to worry about it. So wonderful, guys. So this is my January BoxyCharm. Let me get this back in the box real quick, and then I'm going to go through and tell you what I got. Okay, so I got the lip balm, which was $33. I got the makeup. Let me see again how much that was. $25. I got the palette, which is like my favorite. Whenever I see Ciate, I try to snag it. And so it's really nice when they put it in my box. It's like, yes. So that one was $30. And then I have the lip mask. I'm really liking this box this time, guys. Okay, it's the Glow Lip Mask, and that is $25. And then I have the toner. And let's see how much that is. Toner, there it is. Okay, so the toner is $28. So that is the 5 items that I received in my box. So I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, guys, so hopefully hopefully I'll have this posted by Saturday or Sunday. So also I'm at 151 subscribers, and that is as of today. I am just thankful, so thankful that somebody actually wants to watch my life, my unboxings, my travel when we get to travel, and comment and like and just be out there to become friends on YouTube. So you guys, I appreciate so much what you guys do for me, and you don't realize what you do for me. I love YouTube. I love creating. I love being on YouTube. And if I didn't have any subscribers, you know, who am I going to put my videos out to? So I'm just thankful and blessed. So when I hit 250 subscribers, I am having another giveaway. I have a Bolzano bag. And most of you know who Bolzano is. It's a handbag subscription company. So it's a new bag that I have that I am giving away with a bunch of unopened, non-swatched makeup and skincare. And lifestyle too. I do have a couple lifestyle items. So once we get closer to my 250 subscribers, I will make a video and get you guys ready to win. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.